Today, I'm here with Don, and we've got something very special. It's missing the handle, but you gotta see what's inside. Look at this, hard front, soft back. But what's inside, that's what you gotta see. There you go. Voila! This is the first generation, the OG DJI Phantom. Now I had the Phantom 3, and the controller looks pretty much the same way. The stick sticks, so I'm familiar with the Phantom 3. But this one, the Phantom 3 had built-in batteries. This one doesn't. Look at that. It came with a charger, and did it come with extra batteries, or you had to buy rechargeables?
No, they're not even open.
Wow, brand spanking new. Came with batteries, came with charger. This is it. First gen. There's the actual drone. No camera? That's what you're thinking? Yeah, there's no camera on this. You gotta bring your own camera to the party. Check this out. Huh? You think the Mini and the Mini 2 was the first to have this? No. This was in the OG Phantom days. Check out this. They're coming with the OG lipos, like FPV. Can you believe it? Yeah. It's only now DJI is doing all this proprietary stuff, but when they first started, they did it like everybody else. Come on, DJI. What you doing? Bring back these OG FPV XT40, 60 plugs. I need this in my life. Look at these props. Look at these props. Now the camera, did it come with this camera, or you had to buy the camera? You have to buy the camera separately, but it came with this adapter. Was this adapter included?
Yeah.
But it comes with an adapter for you to put your own GoPro. Yeah, that's how we did it. You want 3-axis stabilization? It didn't exist. There was no such thing. We're talking Phantom 1, guys. Hopefully it flies, right? I'm not responsible for whatever happens, okay, Don?
It came with a charger.
What the hell is this?
Lithium charger.
Oh, look at that. They started the proprietary back in there. 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S. You select your amperage. You select LiPo. You got your XD connector over here. Oh, yeah. It balances itself? How?
Do I connect it here?
Oh, look at that. Bam, look at that. And this balance charger does 1, 2, and 3S batteries.
Yeah, somebody actually said that they would buy the drone just to buy this.
Yeah. This is some good technology if you're flying FPV, but I'm just saying, DJI's got it. Plug and play, kind of. Right? So this is it.
Pretty cool.
But we want to see if this thing can fly.
We're gonna fly.
We're gonna put a Hero 9 on here.
Oh, yeah, go for it.
We're gonna go for it. Crash and burn, whatever happens. I trust DJI. All right, even if it's the Phantom 1, we're doing this, okay? I don't care what happens. Goodbye if it's goodbye. All right, load it up. Bear in mind, this hasn't flown in what? There's no phone connection? Can you hook your phone to this?
No, we'd have to go to...
There's no phone connection. We were flying line of sight. So when you got yourself a Mavic Mini and you're thinking times are tough and you want 4K and 5K and 6K, how about no K? You don't even have a visual. You just hold it up, turn it around, hope you got the shot, and come back. You see how fortunate you are? I'm just saying, all right? GoPro, hyper smooth, real steady, bring it on, whatever it takes. Catch this little annoying nut at the back there. Now, what angle do we want? We want a nice, clean, a little slightly down angle, because I guess it's going to be flying like this. So maybe like this. I think that's the angle we're looking for. There's some lights going off there. It's got some red lights at the back there. I don't know what that's for. Oh, what's that about? It's clicking away.
You know the dance?
Yes, green. Down. It's still green. It's blinking. That's good? Blinking green is good, guys. That's it. It's ready to go. All right, let me turn on the GoPro. Clean the lens over here. Hit record. Take 1, GoPro. Don't kill anybody. That's what he says. I'll try not to. drifty. A little drifty. Wow. Does it have sports mode? No sports mode. You didn't have sports mode then, but woo! Wow, it flies. There's no return homing. There goes my GoPro. Blinking red. Stop. If you didn't see the first generation Autel, check the link up here. But this is like the first generation DJI Phantom, and to see that it still flies, and honestly, it flies well. Yeah, you have to do some programming to get it to return home, but it does have GPS to keep it positioned steady, stable, like you saw, which is good. A great first step in the right direction. I'm impressed. I'm happy. This wasn't on my bucket list, but I still got it done. You tell me what you think. Well, now that the camera technology is advanced, if a gimbal is really necessary. Done. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for sharing your technology with us, and I hope you still fly it.
Well, you had a good time, yeah. Thanks.
All right, guys, with that being said, make sure you hit thumbs up if you haven't already. Make sure you hit subscribe so you get notified. Hit the bell when I release another old throwback OG video in your life. And I will catch you guys whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.